Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up vCenter Server. First, you need to understand the vCenter Server appliance deployment options. Ensure your environment meets the minimum hardware and software requirements, which typically include at least 2 CPU cores, 12 GB of RAM, and 300 GB of storage. Gather all necessary network configuration details, such as the IP address, subnet mask, and DNS server information, before you begin. Next, mount the vCenter Server Appliance ISO file to your management workstation to access the installer. Run the installer and select the Install option for a new vCenter Server deployment. The wizard will guide you through configuring the network settings, including the IP address and hostname, and choosing the appropriate appliance size based on your environment's needs. This initial stage sets up the core appliance. After the initial deployment, proceed to stage 2 of the wizard to configure the vCenter Server appliance. Here, you will set up the vSphere single sign-on domain, create a strong administrator password, and choose a data center name. You will also configure database settings, selecting either the embedded PostgreSQL database or an external one, and decide whether to join the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Finally, verify the successful deployment by accessing the vSphere client through your web browser. Log in using the configured single sign-on administrator credentials you established in Stage 2. Once logged in, you can begin managing your virtual infrastructure, including hosts, virtual machines, and storage, all through the centralized and powerful vCenter Server interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.